umakyat si Avril, just a quick bio of this artist. An alternative singer-songwriter who writes and produces mellow and alternative pop songs about love and inner battles in his bedroom music studio. O sana all may music studio. Again, Avril Gile.
Okay. And good evening, everyone. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa New People Music Collective at sa Indelible at syempre sa Millennia. Thank you sa opportunity. And ako nga pala ulit si Avril Gile. hindi po ako pani Avril Lavigne, nagkataon lang kapangalan. Ayun. And taga Rizal po ako, taga Tanay. Sila nakapunta na sa mga tourist locations sa Tanay. Ayan, dahil bakasyon ngayon, pwede kayo tumambay sa Tanay and pwede tayo mag-jam-jam doon pag may venue or pag may event. So, tutugtog ako ng tatlong original composition, tatlong released songs, tsaka isang unreleased. Yung first song ko is already out on Spotify. Ang kantang to is para sa mga taong may namimiss ng sobra-sobra. Pero parang hindi, kahit anong gawin niya, hindi talaga sila magkaroon ng chance na magkasama. So, pwedeng parang sa LDR, or maybe sa work, or maybe health reasons. Katulad ng pandemic, di ba, nung panahon ng pandemic, may mga ganong tayong mga hugot sa buhay. Ayan. Actually, nasulat to nung panahon ng pandemic. Ayan. Ang title ng first song ko is Save the Day.
Okay, brighten my days just like you always do. If only you were with me, I'd be really fine. 'Cause you have that power to make everything alright. We need the tender kisses, miss your pretty smile. It's bad that there is nothing I can do to help you around. You don't have to explain it, I'll try to understand. Just tell me what I need to do to get you off my head. Fight for what I'm feeling, I'm with you till the end. 'Cause I don't ever wanna see myself with someone else. Oh, will you take me away and make things okay? Brighten my days just like you always do. Oh, come and save the day and make all this go away. I'll be the one needed to show you I'm the one. 'Cause baby, you're the only one this heart will ever want. Pray to God will lead me to always do what's right. 'Cause all I ever wanna do is love you all the time. You don't have to explain it, I'll try to understand. Just tell me what I need to do to get you off my head. I'll fight for what I'm feeling, I'm with you till the end. 'Cause I don't ever wanna see myself with someone else. Oh, okay. Brighten my days just like you always do. Oh, come and save the day. Make all this pain just go away. I really miss you, babe. I really miss you, baby. I really miss you, babe. Whoa, whoa. Oh, will you take me away? Make things okay. Brighten my days. Oh, come and save the day and make all this pain just go away. I really miss you. Oh, will you take me away and make things okay? Brighten my days just like you always do. Oh, come and save that day and make all this pain just go away. I really miss you, babe. I really miss you, baby.
So yung mga kanta ko po, they're out on Spotify, Apple Music, lahat ng social media, Facebook, Instagram. Again, April Giri po, A-B as in boy, R-Y-L-L-G-I-N. Next song ko, para sa mga taong merong close friend na akala mo hanggang kaibigan lang pero nagkaibigan. At hindi mo alam paano sasabihin na gusto mo siya kasi masisira yung friendship. So kailangan mo mamili, kaibigan ba o kaibigan? O habang buhay mo na ng ayan. So, if ever you use this song at naging kayo nung kaibigan mo, gamit yung kanta ko, PM nyo ako, magkape tayo. Ayan, title ng kanta is Turing.
Ikaw ang liwanag at kapay sa aking mundo na kahit talay. Di mapaliwanag ang saya sa tuwing nasisilayag ka. Ang paggawa ko ang iyong kamay, kinilat ko ba'y nagsasabay? Di ko mapigilang mawihali sa kaglahe mong ganda. Kaya iniisip ko kung pwede maging hamakin ang lahat para lang sa'yo. Piling ang pagkilito, ang puso ko'y nahuhulog sa'yo. Di na maitago ang pagtingin sa'yo. Sana'y pag-inamin ko sa'yo ang tunay na hangarin ko. Di sana kaibigan lang ang turing ko sa'yo. Oh, 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 oh. Ikaw ang hinahangat sinta na makasama sa tuwina. Kalooban mo na kay ganda, pinapanalangin mapasaya ang isang pipiliin ka. Kahit na marami diyang iba, ikaw ang gusto na makasama hanggang sa aking pagtanda. Kaya iniisip ko kung pwede maging tayo. Hamakin ang lahat para lang sa'yo. Pilit na pigilin to, ang puso ko'y nahuhulog. nakatingin sa'yo. Sana'y pagkinangin ko sa'yo. Ang tuloy na hangarin ko, di sana masabing kaibigan na ang tuloy ko sa'yo. Ang tuloy ko sa'yo. Ang tuloy ko sa'yo. Di sana masabing kaibigan na ang tuloy ko sa'yo.
Okay, kakanta po ako ng unreleased song. Tulad nga sabi kanina ni Sir ay nag-introduce kanina. I record, I mix, I produce my own songs. And hindi pa ako ganun kagaling. And hindi naman ganun ka-ingrande yung studio ko. It's just a simple setup lang talaga. Pero, di ba bilang musicians, we make the best of what we have. And paunti-unti, pag nagkaka-pera, we upgrade paunti-unti. So ganun din yung kwento ng music ko. If ever you check out my songs na release, ganun, simple siya and then nag-i-improve naman ng paunti-unti. Di ba bilang musicians, ganun tayo. We strive to improve ourselves. So, speaking of improving ourselves, meron din ako mga i-release na kanta sa mga susunod na months. This June, ito yung isang i-release ko, love song, and then July, mag-release ako ng songs about other topics naman like inner battles, ganun, art, at yung buhay ng musicians. I have a song about that, so abangan niyo po yun. And itong kantan to, inaalay ko to sa aking partner, yan yung masipag na nagpipicture at nagsusupport sa akin kahit walang kapalit. Napakaswerte ko. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin yung aking yung kasama ko po. Fairness po. Ayan. So, yung inspirasyon sa lahat ng ginagawa ko, hindi lang sa mga kanta, kundi halos lahat ng ginagawa ko. Ayan. At itong kantan to, syempre, alay ko din sa kanya at sa lahat ng mga tao na nabigyan ng pangalawang, actually, pangatlo o pang-apat nilang pagkakataon na magmahal ulit. Na akala mo, hindi ka na talaga mabibless sa love life, pero pinagkalooban ka talaga, maybe because of divine intervention or whatever. Yan. And because of that gratitude that you feel inside you, na gusto mong pasalamatan yung taong nagbigay sa'yo ng chance ulit. That's the story behind the song. So, ang title ng kantan to is Pinakahuling Yugto.
Tuwing kapiling mo'y nais na pigilan ang pag-ikot ng mundo. Lahat ng hirap ko pinapawi mo. Kaligayahan mo'y kaligayanin ng isipan at puso ko, hanggang sa pinakahuling ito. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko ng lubos. Di man ikaw ang nauna sa puso ko, ikaw na ang muling iibigin ko. sa pinakahuling ito. Ikaw lang ang maling ko ng lubos. Di man ikaw ang nauna sa puso ko. Ikaw na ang muling ibibigin ko. Bawat sandaling natitira sa buhay ko, di madadala ang isip na ialay sa iyo. At ang kahulugan ng aking nararamdaman, ikaw na ang huling ibigin ko. Hanggang sa pinakahuling ito, ikaw lang ang maling ko ng lubos. Di man ikaw ang nauna sa puso ko. Ikaw na ang muling ibibigin ko.
Yan. Okay, down to my last song. Again, salamat ulit sa New Pinoy Music Collective, sa Indelible Inc. at sa Millennia. Thank you again for the opportunity at sana makaulit. So yung last song ko, ito yung kauna-unang kanta na sinulat ko. And it's inspired by an inspiration, syempre. Tulad nga sabi ko, nagsimula ako as a love song writer, pero may mga i-release ako mga kanta na hindi love song. So, ito yung una, it's another love song, okay? Pasensya na. At para sa mga tao nagbibigay sa atin ng inspiration, not because of who we are, but but despite of the things that we are not. Ayun, yun yung tema ng kanta. And to me, in my opinion, accepting someone despite the things that they are not is example ng true love. Yun yung inspiration sa song. And ang title ng kanta is My Muse.
Can you by my side, say what's on my mind. Need to tell you tonight, you're always on my mind. And when you smile, it makes it more alive. Can you tell me why I feel this way inside? And I'll say, whoa, it's hard to understand. I came and suddenly changed my life. And I'll say, whoa, it's hard to be beside you in your paradise. You are the light that shines in the dark. You are what keeps me from breaking apart. You are what inspires me to smile when I'm down. I know this heart just found love again. You are the brightest of all the stars. You are an angel sent from above. You like me in spite of the things that I'm not. And I will love you time and time. I don't wanna waste my time. I don't wanna lose this chance. I just wanna make you mine. Each day and each night. Even if I make it stop, this feeling just grows stronger. It goes on and on and on, and I'll say, oh, time to understand. I came and suddenly changed my life. And I'll say, whoa, show me what it's like to be beside you in your paradise. You are the light lights in the dark. You are what keeps me from breaking apart. You are what inspires me to smile when I'm down. I know this heart just found love again. You are the brightest of all the stars. You are an angel sent from above. You light me in spite of the things that I'm not. And I will love you time and time again. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. You light me in spite of the things that I'm not. And I will love you time and time again.
Thank you.